Hi everybody, it's Tracy. I hope you're doing well. Oh, it's such a beautiful day today. I actually decided to come back out and make another video out here. I'm against our exterior wall, so you really can't see how nice it is out here, but it's a beautiful day. Anyway, I wanted to reach out and see if anyone spent any time during the quarantine researching family history and maybe trying to put together a family tree. And the reason why I ask is I actually have an offer that I can extend to you through 23andMe DNA testing. I actually have a link that I can send you to get 10% off of the DNA test. There are actually 3 different packages that they have right now, and the prices vary, but I can offer you 10% off of any of those packages. And I initially took the test because I was actually adopted when I was about 6 weeks old, and I was born with 2 major heart conditions, and then throughout adulthood I had multiple health conditions that just simply basically arose from issues I think that I contended with from when I was in womb. And so my general practitioner wanted me to take this test because he said he would like to see the health report, which is another really amazing part of this test, that you get the genetic health report that shows anything that you might be predisposed for getting due to genetics. So it's pretty cool. You get the health side, and then you also get the ancestry side. You get to see a little bit of your background. Like I'm, I think 2.7% Neanderthal, so that's kind of interesting. So you get to find out a lot about your history. And if you're trying to build that family tree, you can really actually fill in a lot of blanks. So if that is the case, you are trying to build your family tree over the quarantine, I would love to try to help you out. So I'll be putting the link to get that 10% off. I'll be putting that in a little area underneath in the video, and then I'll also put it in the link bio. If I actually make this into a blog, I'll be putting that in there as well. So happy hunting. I wish you the very best in completing your family tree, finding your ancestry, and learning a little bit more about yourself and your family. And I wish you the best. I hope you have a rest of a good day, and take care.